Hello guys, I am here to inform you about this amazing tool, ChatGPT. This tool has taken the world by storm. You can go to openai.com and sign up for your free account. Then get introduced how to use this amazing tool. It is a machine learning model. If you log in, you can see that it is a chat box based on machine learning provided by OpenAI and also developed by OpenAI. You can do a lot of amazing things with this tool. From a developer perspective, I am planning to develop a game with this ChatGPT in the future. With this tool, you can get familiar with places, persons, and things. ChatGPT is really good in generating lists of ideas. Just try it. Example, first of all, let me open my account. I created an account already. This is how it looks like. For example, if I type in anything here, let me just give in how can I make an HTTP request in Python? You see that? It's amazing. You can do everything with this tool. Crazy. It's unbelievable. See? Just print out all you need to make an HTTP request in Python. It's a game changer. I will be building a game with it in the near future, as soon as possible. So, ChatGPT process and understand sequential data. That is natural language test. You can ask ChatGPT anything. It works similar to human brain. It uses interconnected neurons to identify patterns in data, then make prediction on what should come. It uses reinforcement learning to fine-tune the process in order to minimize untruthful and biased outcomes. It's an amazing tool. You just have to try it. So go ahead and try it yourself. It is going to be fun. Thank you again for reaching out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Regards.